Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be taking a look at the Z series 100 watt 26,800 mAh power bank that supports a variety of fast charging technology, so it can almost charge all of your devices. A big thanks to J Gold Tech for sending me this power bank for review. So the power bank comes well packaged, and upon opening the box you will be presented with a card saying stop that has their contact information on the other side. And it also comes with a detailed user manual. They also included a very long USB-C to C charging cable that can handle 5 amps. It is nice to see them include this long cable in there. You also get a nice little carrying pouch to keep the power bank from getting scratched. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the main event. So this has a 26,800 mAh battery with a 99.16 watt-hour rating, and it can output a total maximum of 123 watts. This is quite heavy and long, and it weighs 542 grams, which is about 1.2 pounds. It measures 7.11 inches in height, 2.99 inches in length, and has a width of 0.83 inches. It has an aluminum shell with a matte finish, and at the front you have the power button that will show you the battery percentage with 4 LEDs that indicates the battery life in increments of 25%, and it will automatically start charging your devices when you connect them. So this has a 26,800 mAh battery with a 99.16 watt-hour rating, and it can output a total maximum of 123 watts. This power bank has two USB-A that can output 18 watts at the following voltages and amperage. It has a single USB-C port that can output a maximum of 100 watts, and that is incredible to see on a portable power bank of this size. The power bank is recharged through the USB-C, and it can take up to 45 watts, which will charge the power bank in about 3 hours, and that is amazing. The cool thing about this power bank is that it supports pass-through charging, meaning that you can charge the power bank at the same time that you're charging another device, and that is pretty sweet. This will be replacing my 1-year-old 45 watt 20,000 mAh Xiaomi 3 Pro power bank. The J Gold Tech one beats the Xiaomi one with this 100 watts of power that it can output. It is much bigger and slightly heavier since it has a larger battery. Now comparing it to my Aki 65 watt power bank, the Z series packs the same 26,800 mAh battery capacity in a slightly lighter body while providing a higher power output of 100 watts. So again, it beats this power bank, and this will be my main external battery that I will keep with me in my backpack to charge all my devices. So this power bank has a smart technology that will dynamically adjust to your device's current and voltage needs. It will charge most USB-C power laptops such as MacBooks, Surface Book 2, ThinkPad E480, Lenovo Yoga, Dell XPS 13, and many others. As long as your laptop needs 20 volts and a current of 5 amps or lower, it should be able to charge with this power bank. Just make sure that the voltage is the same and that the current draw is not greater than 5 amps. So if your laptop needs 20 volts to 3 amps, it will be okay because your device calls the shots on how much current it draws. So checking it with the voltage and amp meter, the power bank was able to deliver roughly 50 to 55 watts to my Surface Pro 7 that charges on 65 watts. And on the MacBook Pro 2019 Touch model, it charged on an average of 42 watts to 47 watts, and the MacBook charges on 61 watts, so it was charging them close to the charging speed up until it reached 70%. It then dropped to about 25 watts on both, which is normal to see when the device is getting close to being fully charged. The 13-inch MacBook Pro that I tested on video took 2 hours and 5 minutes to fully charge, minus the 7 minutes that the tester started with since I forgot to reset the tester. So it took about 1 hour and 58 minutes to fully charge, and it drained 2 bars on the power bank. At the 1 hour mark, the laptop was charged to 65%, so that is really good. According to J Gold Tech testing, the power bank can fully charge a 13-inch MacBook Pro within 2 hours or an iPhone 11 Pro from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. This power bank can charge up to 3 devices at the same time, and it has a maximum power output of 123 watts. So if your laptop takes 65 watts, then the 2 USB-A ports will still be outputting their individual 18 watts to charge your tablet and phone. I will mainly be using this power bank to charge my Surface Pro 7 that charges on 65 watts. This power bank can fully recharge my Surface Pro 7 once and still leave the power bank with 2 bars, which is roughly 50%, which is more than enough to fully recharge my phone as well. This is also a great power station for your Nintendo Switch. I used it to power the docking station and my portable monitor, and it did a great job at keeping it powered for a couple of hours. The power bank didn't really get that hot while charging all of my 3 devices or when powering the Nintendo Switch and the monitor. It was a tiny bit warm, but nothing to be concerned about. For those wondering, the power bank is TSA and FAA compliant, so you will be able to bring it with you on a plane. Even though this power bank is quite long, it was able to fit inside my tech accessory bag. Even the 2-meter cable also fit inside my tech bag perfectly. The external battery fit inside nicely, and it even had space for my Aki 65 watt charger. So I fully discharged the power bank with my Surface Pro 7 and tablet and phone, and then right away charged the power bank, and it stayed impressively cool. So overall, I would recommend this power bank. It makes for the perfect ultimate portable power station to keep all your devices charged when there's no outlet nearby. So Jago Tech is having a Black Friday sale, and they also provided me with a couple of promo codes, and I will leave them below in the description for you to check out. Alright, so that concludes today's review. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like if you found the video helpful, and subscribe for more tech related videos, and I will talk to you on the next one.